7 amazing health benefits of garlic. Garlic is one of the most widely and most commonly used vegetable across most cultures. It's part of the onion family and packs quite a punch in regards to flavor and smell for such a small vegetable. Though mostly known to ward off vampires, garlic has quite a few health benefits, giving your health an extra boost when added to meals. Here are 7 amazing health benefits of garlic. 1. Boost your immune system. Have a cold? Adding garlic to your chicken noodle soup or taking a garlic supplement can help boost your immune system. For preventative measures, simply add freshly chopped garlic to a recipe each day. 2. Lower your blood pressure. Many studies have shown that a garlic supplement may have a positive impact on people with high blood pressure, reducing both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in those with hypertension. 3. Lower your cholesterol. Just like your blood pressure, studies have shown garlic may improve your cholesterol, both total and LDL. Of course, always consult your physician before taking any garlic supplement. 4. Reduces your risk for cancer. Garlic has been shown to help reduce your risk for several types of cancer, including lung, prostate, and stomach. The cloves hold phytochemicals that contain cancer-fighting properties. 5. Improves your bone health. Garlic contains compounds that help slow the breakdown of joint and bone cartilage, making garlic an important addition to your diet as you age. 6. Antibiotic and antioxidant. Garlic has both antibacterial and antioxidant properties, helping protect against infections as well as lowering the risk for Alzheimer's and dementia. 7. Help detox your body from heavy metals. The allicin compounds in garlic have been shown to help reduce heavy metal levels in your blood. Letting the garlic rest for 10 minutes after chopping it allows the allicin to form and increase. Thanks for watching, and be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe.